Yosemite National Park. Looks like an sculpture, like someone resting on that particular. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsa Vidurvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimai. We're on the way to the Yosemite and Lake Tahoe. We are at 9,000 level elevation. Look at the beauty around it. All the way right there, if you're seeing the glaciers right up, and through the glacier path, if you're looking through somewhere there, you should be seeing waterfalls coming through. This is our car heading in. Mahadeva. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
कुहितः एतदिच्छर्षे त्वं सर्वं श्रुत्वा चैतत्रिलोक.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Oh, I don't.
Mount Dana, in picture and reality. Mount Dana. We have Mount Gibbs right there. Agastya Bhagavan Rishihi Rama Rama Mahabaha Sranaguhyam